is Guru. What is that ignorance? इस देह को मैं मानना सबसे बड़ा पाप है। सब पापों इसी का पुत्र है, सब पापों का ये बाप है। देह को मैं मानना, wrong identification with this body mind personality, the goal is the cause of all sorrow, suffering. That's why as we understand how miraculously, mysteriously we are blessed by Sadgurudev Swami Shivananda Maharaj from Dr. P.V. Kuppuswamy. He was not satisfied with curing the diseases of the body-mind. He wanted to cure the bhava roga, cycle of birth and death. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatari, and how the human being can come to the center from the circumference. Mukti, how the soul will be liberated. He embraced sannyas and did austere penance, had darshan of Lord Krishna, and became illumined and shared his self-knowledge, which all of us, we are fortunate to get our Guru, Manushyatvang, Mumukshutvam, Mahapurusha Sansraya. We are fortunate to be born as human beings, and we heard wish to be liberated, and ultimately we get our Sadguru. So we are thrice blessed. No more blessing, all the blessings are showered upon us. When this soul was studying in Ravenshaw College, East Hostel, Kathak, Swami Ram Premi from Rishikesh came, and there was a meeting organized by the Divine Life Society Kathak branch in our college, Ravenshaw College East Hostel, and he told about Gurudev Swami Shivananda Maharaj, Ganga, Himalaya, Divine Life Society activity, Yoga, Vedanta. Oh, this soul, Chittaranjan, was inspired and accepted Swami Shivananda Maharaj as his Guru on the October 25th, 1954. Since that day, while explaining Guru Mahima, I am informing my personal feelings and how Guru protects his soul from the Brahmacharya ashram till the soul is liberated. I got a book, Sachitra Yogasana, from Swami Ram Premi ji, and started following Gurudev's instructions on Brahmacharya. While going, look at your toes and move. Don't look here and there. During my college career, I moved in the college verandas looking at my toes. So I maintained Brahmacharya in my Brahmacharya life. In 58, met Gurudev at Rishikesh, got Mantra Diksha. When I came back to Odisha, I wrote to Gurudev, Swami Shivananda Maharaj. I want to do Pada Puja, remaining at ashram. Gurudev wrote, remain there itself. Do the duties allotted to by God. That is the greatest Pada Puja you can do for me. Then I would know that I cannot jump from Brahmacharya ashram. Sannyas ashram, I had to go step by step. Anyway, so Brahmacharya ashram was by Gurudev's grace, he protected. Gurudev is how he protects the soul, that I am expressing, sharing my thought. He protected. And Brahmacharya ashram was successful. Then became a lecturer in Sanskrit. During that period, a prarabdha was to be undergone. So that period, householdership was over. And Swami Chidanandaji Maharaj appeared from 1964. First, Gurudev Shivananda Maharaj, Punyatithi Aradhana. This soul saw Shivananda in Chidananda, Gurudev. And Gurudev Shivananda Maharaj, some important messages have inspired me. What can you not achieve if you but have the grace of the Lord with you? Don't worry too much about your future. The Lord knows what is best for you. I was sending my spiritual diary every month and getting replies from Gurudev. So, he guided me. The day Gurudev initiated me, Swamiji blessed me. This will solve all your problems in life. And the mantra, Guru mantra, is saving me, solving all the problems in my life. Last letter, 1 month before Mahasamadhi, Gurudev Shivananda Maharaj wrote, you possess humility to an enormous degree. You are dear to me. I am grateful to you for your unsurging devotion, thy own Atma, Shivananda. So, and on the Guru Purnima day, 1962, when the first floor of hospital building near the roadside, the steps are there, that was inaugurated. This servant was present, 62 Guru Purnima. And there, after Pada Puja, Gurudev's direct Pada Puja, when we were
Dear.